Hey guys, today's stock number is 301968, and this is a 2023 GMC Acadia SLE. Our color is volcanic red. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features. Got a power hatch, windows, mirrors, and locks. Power driver's seat with lumbar support. Got our parking brake, interior lighting control. Our steering wheel features forward collision alert, cruise control, hands-free, and stereo remote controls. We are satellite radio ready, electronic and dual climate control. Got button shifters, USB ports, auto start stop, traction control, and parking assist. Heated front seats, lane keep assist, all-wheel drive modes, and we are OnStar ready. Our sunroof controls, garage door openers. Our interior color is jet black. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, 2 bucket seats with rear climate control, a couple of USB ports for our rear passengers, and the seats do slide forward for access to that third row. 50-50 split each seat. And onto our exterior, we've got our roof rack, 18-inch GMC rims, rear parking aid, a rear view camera, remote hatch, all of our cargo space, and the seats do fold up all the way to give you more access with that third row. All right, there you have it, guys. That's stock number 301968. You guys have just checked out this volcanic red 2023 GMC Acadia SLE. Thanks for watching.